Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here. Today I'm sharing with you a recipe for these blueberry cottage cheese oat bars. Super yummy, high protein, low sugar, low fat, high fiber food. This is for Healthy Snacks 2026. I'm co-hosting this with Gail at Gail's Southern Living and Heather at Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. Check out the description box down below for more information, and let's get started. All right, in this bowl we have 2 cups of cottage cheese, 1 cup of rolled oats. That's not your quick oats, but your rolled oats. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of honey. And then we're also going to add in 2 eggs. And here I have a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I use the real salt. I'm going to go ahead and add this in also. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and get this all mixed up. If you're looking for more great healthy snack ideas, make sure you check out my description box. I'm including a playlist to all of the videos and from content creators who are taking part in this collaboration and sharing so many wonderful snack ideas. And we're also going to be doing a giveaway that is going to be on Tuesday, June 2nd, 6 p.m. Central Time. You can catch that on my channel, Mountain Grandma, or also Gail's Southern Living, or Heather over at Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. We've got some fun giveaway items lined up, and I hope to see you all there. Now, back to the video. I also added in a teaspoon of vanilla. And the next thing that I'll be adding in, you could add a 1/2 cup of chopped nuts if you wanted to. But the next thing I'm going to add in is a cup of fresh blueberries. We're just going to kind of fold these in gently. All right, now the next thing we'll do is get this into a greased 8x8 or 9x9 pan, so I'll be right back with you. What I love about this healthy snack is that it really does cover your big important macros. High protein coming from the cottage cheese and the eggs, as well as high fiber coming from the oatmeal. And I like that it's not just quick oats, but it's the full oat. And then also all of the healthy things that come from the blueberries. I really, really like that about this snack. Now you see I'm going ahead and putting this into, I think this is like an 8x8 or 9x9. I'm not sure which size pan this is. But we're going to get that evened out here. And then here in just a minute, you're going to see me setting the timer on the oven and setting the oven temperature to 350 degrees. And you're going to want to put your timer at 35 minutes, or maybe even longer, but check it at 35 minutes. I had to cook mine for a total of 45 minutes altogether. And then here it is out of the oven. And in the recipe, it says you cut 6 slices. Like, can you imagine 6? I don't know. They're like really big slices if you cut 6 servings out of this. But if you do, 6 servings is 180 calories, 5 grams of fat, 10 grams of protein, and 24 grams of carbs in each piece. So it's really a huge serving too. I don't know. I think I'd be eating more like, a half of a 6 slice kind of thing. So I wanted to tell you a little bit before we end the video about the blueberries and why they're so good for you. They are just absolutely amazing. They've been studied for impacts on the health of Alzheimer's patients and improving memory. They've been studied for improving vision and particularly night vision. They've been studied for their impact on promoting urinary tract health and a popular remedy for different GI things. Here we go, guys. You ready for a bite? Yum. So check this out. Don't forget to also watch the rest of the videos in this collaboration. And thank you all so much for watching. If you like this content, want to see more, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. And until then, everybody, keep your joy, folks.